You know, what this life-changing step truly means to me this evening is that God has given me an opportunity to be better than I was yesterday. He truly, truly knows me better than I know myself. I began seeing Dr. K's name just pop up out of nowhere when I would get on the computer. It seems like she just intellectually arrived right on time and to speak the knowledge that I haven't gotten, but I really needed. Today, Dr. K said something prolific, and it energized my spirit. She said, your money will never be more than who you are. And yes, Dr. K, I want my money to match who I am.
Aha moment today happened before class started. I had some automatic withdrawals come out of my bank account, and I was short $5 to pay for the class. So I had to ask one of my clients for $10 because I didn't really have anybody else to ask. I asked my sisters and they said, what class? So one of my cleaning clients, she sent me $100. So my aha moment was that you don't get to pick who's going to support you in your business. My family is more like a, hey, get a 9-to-5, get your 401k, and get your right. Quit around. So sorry to swear. I'm really thankful to be in a class and have a teacher that's willing to help me believe in something that's important to me. I hope that I can be able to help other people in the class believe in themselves too, because in the big scheme of things, I got kids, and to show them that even when things are tough, there's still people out there that are gonna say hey, you can do it.
My aha moment from today was, why not me? Stop being scared. Go out there and get your money, girl. It's waiting for you. It's taken me a year to get to this point. This is the second time this opportunity has come to me, and I'm not sleeping on this one this time.
Is there anything better than that? 5 days, you will be loaded with information to grow your business. One thing is to open business. So after you open the business, then what? I don't know about you guys, but financial trouble is real. It's real for me. I have been struggling with my business for over almost 2 years, and just 5 days challenge changed my business, changed my life. 5 days. Anyone who cares to listen, I'm telling you now, you will land a government contract. 5 days. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Jump on it and upgrade to VIP. You get more information. This is the right place to be.
I know for me, something that kind of stuck with me was, who am I becoming in this process? And I know for me right now in my life, I tend to put things off, and I have a small child. Most times I'm tired, but I have to stay focused on who I'm becoming in this process. Pushing through that, changing my mindset, not being defeated, not feeling defeated. And when I have those thoughts of doubt, when I have those thoughts of fear, understanding that it's God's will for my life to live in abundance and live in prosperity and to bless others with the resources that He blesses me with.
Thank you, Dr. K. This is very eye-opening, and I will definitely open up, to the possibilities first within our minds. Is a big thing that we've been talking about. And thank you for equipping us, with this information and being able to enlighten us, as to what's out there for us, and success is within a reach of hard work. And if we put in the work, we can obtain it.